Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll see how to print the screen on Windows 11. This is a shortcut to taking a screenshot of what you see on your desktop. Maybe you want to show something to someone, ask for help, or show someone some instructions. We'll see how we can do that. We'll also have a look at a tool that you can use to take screenshots that comes with Windows 11. First, I'm going to show you the keyboard on our screen. This is the on-screen keyboard that comes with Windows. You can press Control, the Windows key, and O on your keyboard to bring it up and to remove it. The key we are talking about is called Print Screen, and it kind of looks like this, but it might have a different position or text on your physical keyboard. But it will do the same thing. And if you press this key on your keyboard, the Print Screen key, it will save a snapshot of what you currently see in that moment on your screen to the computer's memory. And to save it, you need to use an app. We are going to use Paint today because this comes installed with Windows, so it's the easiest way to do. To find it, just left click and search over here at the bottom and type in Paint. This is the short way to find it, and you will see it under Best Match, and left click and it will open on your computer. After you've pressed the Print Screen key and saved the image that you want from your desktop, all you need to do in Paint is just left click on the little clipboard icon over here at the top left, and it will paste it. I'm gonna maximize the window so we can see better, and also zoom out by left clicking on the minus sign. And as we can see, we have our desktop over here. To save it, just go to File at the top left and then left click on Save. You can select the location. We're gonna stick with the desktop. You can also change the extension in case you need to do this, but JPEG is the most common format, and you can just rename it to screenshot or whatever. And then left click on Save. And now if you look on our desktop, we will see a photo, and it's the one that we took. And now of course you can share this with someone or just keep it on your device in case there's something you need. Like we promised, there's also a cool tool called the snipping tool. If you left click here in search and just type in snip, we'll find snipping tool, left click to open it, and this also comes installed with Windows, which is great. It also tells you the shortcut that you need to press to start a snip, and you can select the mode over here. Rectangle mode means you will be able to select a part of the screen. So if you left click on a new, for example, we can take a screenshot of the icons that we have on the desktop. And now we will see it over here. You can also add text or marks to it by using these tools on the top. And when you want to save it, just left click on the little disk at the top right. And it's the same process as in Paint. You can select the location, rename it, select the extension, and left click on Save. That's it guys. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.